front of me is HAFURY Note 10 and let me show you how to adjust colors on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select System, go to the Advanced Options and click on Developer Mode. Now scroll down, find and pick Simulate Color Space right here, smoothly mark it, and now we can pick one from the following modes. So let me show you all of them. You can see the difference immediately after a click, and then you can smoothly use your device in this new color mode. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.